can we further improve production output and performance after automation investments? Floor I.App integrates relevant real-time IoT data source along every step in manufacturing process for live reporting and real-time tracking of work pieces to increase performance of OEE. Floor Real-Time Progress is a solution for production scheduling, tracking, and progress status reporting. The solution provides real-time work progress and production information, allowing managers to quickly grasp line production information and operators to understand their own production progress, further improving productivity and shortening production cycles. The system allows managers to set daily production target and assign appropriate work order to production staff. Production staff can report work through their personnel interface. Through easy operation setting, it helps the factory to achieve production targets, which in turn improve performance and overall factory productivity. We can also chain data from other outsourced production plants, if data is available, to provide an even more complete view of production. Here is Job Report interface. Job Report use a touch panel or any device that can access a modern web browser for collecting production data and empowers workers and managers with up to the minute production visibility and control. Easy work order report interface minimized reporting time. Work order status dashboard show real-time progress of production, including tracking status of work order by individual workstations, allowing managers to identify the bottleneck in production process. In the operation interface, in order to effectively reduce the complicated work in the shop floor when dispatch work orders, the first time shop floor is applied to the factory, there will be a series of basic settings need to be carried out in advance. This part we call master data. First of all, we need to define the production line configuration of the plants. Through master data, we can define each individual physical production area according to production sites or campus, building floors, down to work zones. Each zone will contain the machines and equipment that can be used in the specific physical space. This will help us to quickly locate the machine that's corresponding to the work order when we open the assigned work order. Next, let's look at the product information configuration. This large block is defined by our pre-configured product items. Type is classification mode for searching products, which can be classified according to the type, specification, and size of the product, providing users with a quick search in the product library. The route section records the process required to complete the product. This process routes can contain our predefined process steps and is arranged and combined according to sequence before and after each process. The content describes the production process to complete the product. Once we have complete master data configuration, we can quickly and easily apply this setting to open a work order. Let's take a look at the Open Work Order page, where we can see many existing work orders. Click the plus sign in the upper left corner to add a new one. First of all, we have to select the product we want to produce in this interface. Once we click Send, the system will create all the work order according to the process of making some shoes. At this time, we can select the corresponding production line from the production area and configure the production equipment machine on each work order and submit for creation. The work order will be created after submission, and the manager can check the real-time status of each work order through the management interface at any time. Once the work order is created, it will be bound to the TPC pairs with the production machine or workstation. In order to make it easy for the field operator to use, Advantech iFactory's TPC is equipped with a quick login system, and you can see all the iApp service associated with this TPC after clicking into the TPC portal. We select the shop floor first. We can see the production equipment machine associated with this TPC in the left column, which means that's the work order of these 3 machines on the left can be browsed and reported on this TPC. On the right side, you can see a list of all work orders for each machine, including the product produced, quantity, status, and reports button. By going to the individual work order screen, you can further see all the work report history of this work order, and we can click Report to start adding a new work report. After entering the report screen, we provide an on-screen keyboard for the operator to intuitively click on the numbers to report the production quantity, and also support external inputs devices such as barcode or NFC-type devices as source of inputs. This concludes a quick introduction of shop floor. If you are interested in more detail, feel free to contact us via the below link.